L600 Pro MAX GPS drone, your ultimate aerial photography companion. Introducing the L600 Pro MAX GPS drone, a professional-grade quadcopter designed for stunning aerial photography and videography. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, this drone ensures a seamless and immersive flying experience. Here's what makes the L600 Pro MAX stand out. Key features: 1. Ultra HD 8K camera. Front camera photo resolution 7680 by 4320 APP 4096 by 3072 SD. Front camera video resolution 2048 by 1088 SD. Bottom camera photo video resolution 1280 x 720p. Wide angle lens 110 degrees with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. 2. 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. Smooth and stable footage ensures high-quality, stable videos and images. 3. Advanced flight technology. Laser obstacle avoidance, 360 degrees detection within 20 meters to avoid collisions. GPS intelligent tracking, follow me mode, route multipoint planning, fixed point surround, and more. 4. Long flight time and distance. Flight time, up to 25 minutes with a 7.4V, 4500 mAh lithium battery. Remote control distance, approximately 3000 meters. Image transmission distance, 1000 meters. 5. User-friendly functions. Gesture recognition, take photos or videos with simple hand gestures. 1 key return, automatic return to the takeoff point when the battery is low or signal is lost. Aircraft retrieval function, easily locate your drone using the GPS signal. 6. Compact and portable design. Foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. Dimensions: 42 by 36 by 10 centimeters, unfolded, 16 by 8.5 by 10 centimeters, folded. Weight: 276.4 g, with battery. 7. Versatile control options. Remote control, 2.4 GHz frequency with a 3.7V, 350 mAh lithium battery. APP control, intuitive interface for flight and camera controls. 8. Creative sharing. Share photos and videos, easily share your aerial shots with music and video editing features. Specifications: motor, 15.0 for brushless motor. Gyroscope, 6-axis. Pressure sensor, height setting. Camera, escape 4K HD wide angle. Frame rate, 25 frames per second. Battery charging time, about 420 minutes. Color, silver gray. SD card support, yes. Experience unparalleled aerial photography with the L600 Pro MAX GPS drone. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast, this drone is your perfect companion for capturing breathtaking moments from the sky. Get yours today and explore the world from a new perspective.